Welcome back to Let's Learn Refaluwasch. Tiko, did you get all the letters?
I did.
Awesome! Now I'm going to teach you the everyday basic greetings in Carolinian. Are you all ready? Let's begin. Good morning in Carolinian we say Lesor Mwáár.
Lesor Mwáár.
Lesor Mwáár. Good afternoon in Carolinian we say Rel Mwáár.
Rel Mwáár.
Rel Mwáár. Good evening in Carolinian we say Lebong Mwáár.
Lebong Mwáár.
Lebong Mwáár. Thank you in Carolinian we say Hiliso.
Hiliso.
Hello, hi, or excuse me in Carolinian is Tiro.
Tiro.
When asking a person, how are you, you say Wake Faisal.
Wake Faisal.
Wake Faisal. If there's more than one person, you say Awake Faisal. Awake Faisal. To ask what is your name, you say Meta Itam.
Itam.
Meta Itam. To tell someone that you love them, you say I afeshuch. I afeshuch. Thank you for watching Let's Learn Refaluwasch. Tiko, did you enjoy learning Carolinian language?
I did.
Awesome. Please continue watching our show. Thank you again. My name is Gloria Rasiang. I'll see you next time. Bye.